Let's give the countdown now. In 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we got our autonomous starting here and knocking, unfortunately, that shipping hub a little bit. We'll see what happens there. We've got, however, they've scored in the top element in the top, and also 479 Stoy Fusion scoring in their shipping elements in their shipping hub. You really got to be careful with this autonomous. Make sure you don't mess with the shipping hubs too much, because again, if you push that shipping hub off too much by a certain amount or knock the shipping hub over, that is a big amount of penalties, and you definitely don't want that to happen. Looks like we've got 13356 parking in successfully.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, here we are starting the driver control period. 9614 Hyperion also getting moving finally for this area, getting ready to score during that driver control period. That special block doesn't count anymore now that it's a driver control period, but it does still count for those 6 points that you get from scoring in the top of the shipping hub, as they just do that again with a second block. That's right, Hyperion is moving pretty quickly here, trying to get those scores in the top of the shipping hub. On the Blue Alliance, we've got some scoring in the shared shipping hub, but there is more overall scores on the red side of the shipping hub, which means that shipping hub is tilted towards the red side. Blue Alliance, both the robots here are very thin. Those robots are thinly designed to sneak through that side of the field around those PVC pipes. Not the same situation on the side of the Red Alliance, with Hyperion 9614 being a wide robot with a bit more of a gap on it, allowing them a bit of a suspension system that allows them to get over that PVC pipe with little to no problems. Unfortunately, however, that does not allow them to necessarily hit all of their blocks with accuracy in the shipping hub, as they did just miss one of their shipping elements in that shipping hub. Sorry, one of the pieces of cargo. However, they are going to go right back and score again. We've got a slight lead for the Red Alliance coming into 50 seconds, 20 seconds before the end game. That is an alliance that could change, as you see, with some counterplay from the Blue Alliance here. Caught throwing a little bit of difficulty. Stoy Fusion here, making sure that it's a little bit harder for Hyperion to get across into that area. But you have to watch out, because if you stay around too far, it might count as blocking, and blocking is not something you want to be doing as a team, especially as you're entering end game here, and you got to get over to those carousels and start getting those ducks off. Red Alliance making no hesitation. Blue Alliance shortly following, getting their ducks off the carousel, and we've got one cap from the Red Alliance of their team marker on top of their shipping hub, and we're about to get a second one here from the Red Alliance with times permitting, and Blue Alliance following up shortly with one of their team markers. A little bit shaky. Can they get that? Yes, they can. Successfully scoring 2-1-0. Looks like we've got a bit of a lead for the Red Alliance as we finish this matchup, but that can change here. Great play for both teams. Looks like we have almost all ducks off, if not all ducks off, for both alliances on their carousels. Well, let's see what the refs have to say about this
Scores are up from that previous match that we had on field number 1, and it was a tie.